Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to if you're new. So this video is sponsored by Aaliyah Grace Hair. They sent me this beautifully colored reddish brown 24-inch 13x4 lace front wig. As you're listening and watching, if you guys do enjoy it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All my social medias will be on the screen and in the description box below, along with the link to this wig if you guys do want to purchase. I'll also have a coupon code on the screen. If you guys don't keep up with my channel, my name is Aaliyah and I am a 20-year-old first-time single mom to a beautiful baby girl named Yasani. She is currently 4 months and will be 5 months on the 9th. My labor and delivery vlog brought a lot of attention to my channel, and with that I had a lot of you guys asking me to speak on my postpartum, which honestly and luckily I didn't experience too bad. But these last couple of weeks have been rough, y'all. And I want to be open and transparent with you guys because I know I help a lot of people. Don't get me wrong, when life is good, it's great, but those falls hit hard. I wanted to do a different type of install video, so I decided to do a one-on-one chit-chat. Which I can't lie is kind of hard, you guys, because I no longer know how to express myself. But for a while now, I've been feeling stuck. My future has been stressing me out. I know you're not supposed to mess with your future, but I just really want to see it. Just to make sure that I'm on the right track. Make sure I would be in a much happier place, and if not, how to get to it. And I say this with no ill intentions, but it gets exhausting being just you and your baby all day, every day. I love and cherish every moment I get to spend with my baby, but I just feel I'm overstimulated. Y'all, to tell you the truth, I don't have much friends. So even on the weekends when I don't have Sani, it's hard to go out and enjoy myself. Almost all of my weekends consist of going to work, filming, and editing, which I know is good for you guys, but it's taking a toll on my mental health. I love what I do, and I don't feel I need a break from YouTube. I just feel I need more to my life. Co-parenting is hard, and not in the ways you may think. You're always compromising and having to run things by each other. I feel like I'm tied to my city, you guys, and honestly, I believe I've outgrown it. But I obviously just can't up and leave because I have a child who obviously needs their father in their life. As I think on it more and more, I realize that there's nothing left for me here but family. I feel like I'm bounded here, and that's stunting my growth. Don't get me wrong, most of the time me and my baby's father see eye to eye. But it's kind of hard to take big steps in your own journey when you're not exactly together. It's times like this when I wish I did have a significant other, or at least have my baby father live closer. That way we can tag team and I won't have to put so much stress on my mother. We will be able to swap out and take breaks. If you give her a bath, I'll put her to sleep. We're both getting quality time in our own ways, but we're also not overworking ourselves. To help seize the moment and actually be aware of everything that's going on. These are my memories with my child. I want to make sure that every bit of it is happy. My mom has always been an amazing mother and a helping hand. But I just think it's time for me to grow up now. I have a lot of goals in my life, and I want to be able to say that I went through all that pain and struggle for a reason. I want to be able to give everything and more back to my mother for helping me, and the world to my daughter. So no matter what, I gotta make it out of this funk, because I owe it to my baby. She's relying on me to carry her through life. Everything I do is for her. And a lot of these problems are things that I thought I got over, but the feelings and the thoughts seem to come back every now and then. But I know it won't last long, and I'm gonna get through it because I'm God's child and He always watches over and protects me. He never puts you through anything that you can't handle, but it's just kind of hard to see it through. In a way, I'm happy I got to experience this because it did help build my character, but it did create a lot of holes as well. I know postpartum can affect each woman differently, but we all have a common denominator. We all had a baby, whether natural, C-section, however you had your baby, we are all mothers. And I just wanted to let you know that you got this, mamas. You're doing an amazing job. If no one told you I love you today, I love you. I'm praying for each and every one of you. We're gonna get through this together because life gets better, and I'm speaking that into existence. If you guys do need people to talk to, I tell you guys all the time, my DMs are open. I do respond to as many as I can. If you ever need anybody to talk to, just know you're not alone. I'm always here. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this hair video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know, y'all, I'm like loving this color. I'm loving this color on me. Comment down below if you guys like the color too. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow on my social medias. They'll be on the screen and in the description box. One time for the lace. Shout out to it. And if you guys want to shop Aaliyah Grace hair, I'll have the link in the description and a coupon code on the screen. Get you some money off of your purchase. I just wanted to get into the lace real quick because your girl did that, but